What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and we are in the kitchen, and we're making
Christmas cupcakes.
What are we making?
Christmas cupcakes.
Our Way remix. So what we have today, gotta have cake mix. You cannot make cupcakes or whatever without cake mix unless you're making it from scratch, right, Malia?
Mm-hmm.
So Malia picked this super moist cake mix. You prefer vanilla. So we have the cake mix, guys. You want to tell them what else we have?
We have 3 eggs. We have oil. We have bowl. We have funfetti icing, blue, and we got the.
You say the water?
Yeah, water.
We have a cup of water.
Yeah.
1/3 cup of oil. All right, so let's begin. Come on.
Begin.
Let's begin, guys. All right, so first of all, what we're gonna start first. All right, so she have that.
Oh, man.
I like to sieve mine with a little sieve. Huh? You gotta open it.
Open it.
You know how you sieve it?
The whole thing?
Yeah. Drop it on in there. Pour that cake mix in. Cake mix usually be good, guys.
I'm putting in the whole cup of water.
There you go.
There you go. The 3rd cup of vegetable oil.
Yummy. These gonna taste so good, guys.
Then 3 eggs. That was a perfect
Great job. She did better than me.
I know.
It's the competition. All right, guys. So now what you're gonna do is she's gonna blend this thing up. Get it away. You're gonna hold it up. Why she do that? Yes, thank you.
I like eating it. I don't like
You don't like to make it, but you like to eat it. But only today. Only today you want to make cake.
Might be done. My arm hurts.
Guys, can you believe this? She be always want to make stuff but never want to finish. But you're doing a great job. Come on.
My arm hurts. I'm tired.
All right, so we take turn. We're gonna take turns. She liked to lick the spoon since she was a little girl. Well, she's still a little girl, but since she was a baby. I start digging them out. These gonna be some great cupcakes, guys. These cupcakes gonna be the bomb. Okay, they gonna be bussin'. They gonna be good, guys. Let me get my spoon too, so I can help her. I could help her speed up the process, guys. Like my little scoop.
You're trying to get that type of spoon.
You want this cup? Do you want this one?
Mm-mm. Can I have the bowl after it?
You can have the bowl. Oh, that's sweet.
I want to be hyper.
Do you guys love cupcakes? I'm mad if it's getting a little messy, but that's okay. We're gonna clean it up.
We
gonna clean it up.
We? Who's we? I'm gonna be playing Dandy's World with my friend.
Oh my gosh. Guys, she's gonna help me clean this mess up. All right, next one. Alright. Flick that to the side. It's gonna be good, guys. Comment down below. Let us know what type of cupcakes you guys like. The strawberry, chocolate, lemon, vanilla. Just let us know what type of cupcakes you guys like. It's hot, guys. Ready? Always make an adult. Be with an adult at all times when you guys do this. Don't do this alone. Bake it at 350. Alright, guys. So while that is baking, she is munching on this. We're going to prepare the icing and clean up the mess while that bake. And we're going to be back. Commercial.
Let's go.
Yeah. So the cupcakes finished, and we got the icing.
We put it in a Ziploc bag, and Malia's gonna icing it up. I'll probably icing some the way I want it icing. I want mine a little thicker. And it's blue, guys. She wanted the blue icing.
Let's see what she
Yeah, because blue is better.
And we're gonna use these. What are these called, Malia?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. So, and they fluffy and they look nice, guys. They look very delicious. Comment down below.
I'm gonna draw a
what
face.
You think.
Hold it up.
Tell me what you think. Malia Cupcakes.
Who's we?
Blue is my favorite color.
It's like some purple is.
No, you say purple is yours.
Yeah.
I like purple.
What? Why?
It's not my color.
Well, purple's a really good color.
Yes, for you.
Oh, this looks like a gender reveal.
I guess. I'm gonna start sprinkling some of mine. Do a little 1 or 2 sprinkle. Check this out, guys. Check out my sprinkles. Look at my sprinkles.
Oh.
Are you zooming in? Check it out. Check out the sprinkles.
Dandy's World.
These are like little sharks or what they... Yeah, they look like little fishes. Little fishes, sprinkles. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think.
Should I do a design on one of them?
What type of design? Try a Christmas tree and show everybody.
Okay.
Do like a tree or something. Period. Got a fish on it.
There you go.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. These still kind of warm. Okay, so we're going to leave those without icing.
Okay. Which one is mine?
You could pick whatever. Let's try it. Let me see which one I want to pick. I'll probably take the dollar sign.
Okay.
I'm going to take this one. This one is cute.
Mom!
Trippy. Look good. Come on.
People say
These gonna be good, guys. This is good.
they can hear the crunch.
They can. Oh yeah, Mike. But they good. Good job. Woo! If you guys want to see Malia bake again, comment down below. Let us know what you guys would like to see her bake, or what you guys would like to see us bake in the kitchen next. So put it down in the comment next. Until next time, guys, we're gonna catch you later. Peace.